Welcome to Amsterdam, the city of canals, bikes and endless adventures. Forget the tulips and windmills. Alright, maybe not entirely, they are iconic after all. But Amsterdam, it's a wild ride, kids. From bustling markets to vibrant nightlife, there's never a dull moment. A city that never sleeps, fueled by Heineken and a whole lotter, let's say, tolerance. The red light district is just one part of its charm. We're talking canals, bikes, and enough art to make your head spin. From the Van Gogh Museum to the Rijksmuseum, art lovers are in for a treat. Buckle up. We're diving in. Get ready to explore the heart of this historic yet modern city. Did you know Amsterdam is built on over 11 million wooden poles? It's an engineering marvel. Yeah, this city's practically floating. The canals are its lifeblood, connecting every corner. But hey, it works. Trust me. The charm of Amsterdam lies in its unique blend of old and new. We're here for 24 hours, and we're going to do it right. Let's go. From dawn till dusk, Amsterdam awaits. First things first. Coffee. Strong coffee. The kind that jolts you awake and gets you ready for the day ahead. Luckily, Amsterdam's got you covered. From cosy corners to bustling streets, there's a cafe for every mood. Find a brewing cafe, a traditional Dutch pub. These places are steeped in history and charm. Cozy, dark. Perfect for shaking off that jet lag. Next up, the canals. They are the lifeblood of the city. Rent a bike, everyone else does. It's practically a rite of passage here. It's the best way to see the city. Trust me. You can cover so much ground and see so many hidden gems. Wind in your hair, dodging trams, feeling like a local. It's an experience you won't forget. Cruise along the canals. Marvel at the wonky houses. Each one tells a story. Each one leans a little differently, like drunken sailors. It's part of their charm. Don't worry, they've been standing for centuries. These buildings have seen it all and still stand strong. Time for some culture. Head to the Rijksmuseum, a must-see. Rembrandt, Vermeer, the Dutch masters. Heavy hitters, man. Next, a sobering experience. The Anne Frank House, a powerful reminder of history, right in the heart of the city. Feeling peckish? Gotta try a stroopwafel. 2 thin waffles stuck together with caramel. Sweet, gooey, delicious. Now, Amsterdam's famous for its coffee shops. No, not the Starbucks kind. These places sell more than just coffee, if you catch my drift. Space cakes. Anyone. Just remember, kids, start slow and enjoy responsibly. An evening of hidden gems and local flavours. As the sun sets, it's time to explore Amsterdam's underbelly, where the city's true charm comes alive. Head to the Jordaan district, a maze of narrow streets and hidden gems. Discover narrow streets, hidden courtyards, and cool bars that offer a unique vibe. This is where the locals hang out, away from the bustling tourist spots. Thinking about dinner? Skip the tourist traps and find something special. Find a place called Moeders. It means mothers in Dutch. Enjoy home-cooked food in a cosy atmosphere that feels like a warm hug. Try the stamp pot, mashed potatoes with sausage and veggies. It's stick-to-your-ribs kind of food, perfect for a hearty meal. After dinner, it's time for a drink to wind down the evening. Head to a proflokaal, a traditional Dutch tasting house. Sample some local beers or Geneva, the Dutch gin, and immerse yourself in the local culture. Until next time, Amsterdam. As the night winds down, take a walk along the canals. The city lights reflecting on the water. The sound of laughter and music in the air. Amsterdam's got a certain magic, you know? 24 hours in Amsterdam is just a taste, a small bite of a very big apple. But hey, it's enough to make you want to come back for more. And trust me, you will. Tot ziens, Amsterdam.